Did you know that over 60% of our body is made up of water? It's not just a statistic. It's a vital reminder of how hydration plays a crucial role in our overall health. Many people underestimate the connection between what they consume and how they feel. In fact, hydration and nutrition significantly influence energy levels and skin health. When the body is adequately hydrated and nourished, it can function optimally, leading to increased energy and a radiant complexion. This is where fresh juices come into play, offering a delicious and natural solution to enhance energy and achieve glowing skin. In our fast-paced lives, fatigue and dull skin are common challenges that many individuals face. Stress, poor diet, and lack of hydration can leave us feeling drained and our skin looking lackluster. Instead of reaching for quick fixes or synthetic products, we can turn to nature for remedies. Fresh juices, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can revitalize our energy and rejuvenate our skin. Let's explore 3 must-try juice recipes that promise to invigorate your spirit and illuminate your complexion. The first juice on our list is a vibrant green energy booster. This juice combines the powerful ingredients of spinach, cucumber, green apple, and lemon. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse, rich in iron and magnesium, both of which are essential for energy production. It also contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, promoting healthier skin. Cucumber, with its high water content, hydrates the body while providing vitamins A and C, which are crucial for skin health. The addition of green apple not only sweetens the juice, but also brings along fiber and vitamin C, enhancing your immune system and skin vitality. Finally, lemon adds a zesty kick and is known for its detoxifying properties, helping to flush out toxins and brighten the skin. To make this energizing juice, start by washing a handful of spinach leaves and a medium cucumber. Peel the cucumber if desired, then chop it into smaller pieces. Core and sliced 1 green apple, and squeeze half a lemon to extract the juice. Combine all the ingredients in a juicer, adding a little water if necessary to help the blending process. Once juiced, pour it into a glass and enjoy the refreshing taste that not only wakes up your senses, but also fuels your body with essential nutrients. Next, we move on to the Radiant Citrus Elixir. This juice is a delightful blend of oranges, carrots, and ginger. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, which is vital for collagen production, helping to keep your skin firm and youthful. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, are fantastic for skin health as they help protect against sun damage and promote a healthy glow. Ginger, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory that aids digestion and boosts energy levels. Together, these ingredients create a juice that not only tastes great, but also works wonders for your skin and energy. To prepare the Radiant Citrus Elixir, begin by peeling 3 medium oranges and cutting them into sections. Next, wash and peel 2 medium-sized carrots, cutting them into smaller pieces for easier juicing. Finally, take a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 inch long, and peel it. Combine all the ingredients in your juicer and watch as they transform into a vibrant orange juice. Pour it into a glass and take a moment to appreciate the beautiful color and aroma before indulging in this revitalizing drink that promises to enhance your energy and skin health. The final juice recipe is the Berry Bliss Detox. This juice combines the antioxidant-rich power of mixed berries, beetroot, and coconut water. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping to prevent premature aging and promote skin elasticity. Beetroot is a fantastic addition, as it improves blood circulation, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin, giving it a natural glow. Coconut water is not only hydrating but also replenishes electrolytes, making it an excellent choice for energy recovery and skin hydration. To create the Berry Bliss Detox, gather a cup of mixed berries, 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped, and a cup of coconut water. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a teaspoon of honey or agave syrup. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. If you desire a thinner consistency, strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve. Pour it into a glass and enjoy the refreshing, sweet flavor that nourishes your body and revitalizes your skin. Recapping these 3 invigorating juices, we have the Green Energy Booster, the Radiant Citrus Elixir, and the Berry Bliss Detox. Each juice is crafted with ingredients that not only enhance energy, but also promote glowing skin. By incorporating these juices into your daily routine, you can combat fatigue and dullness naturally. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in these fresh juices work synergistically to nourish your body from the inside out. In a world filled with quick fixes and artificial products, it's essential to embrace the power of nature. These juices offer a simple yet effective way to boost your energy levels and achieve that coveted radiant skin. So, grab your juicer, gather the ingredients, and make these delicious concoctions a part of your everyday life. Your body and skin will thank you for it.